I'm pretty sure you've noticed that we offer consultation calls 30 minutes and 1 hour. The 30 minutes are £70 and I don't know, what's that, $90 or something like that. Or you can go for the 1 hour, which is £120, which is about $150 odd dollars, or something in that region. But why do we charge for it? And do I have a right to charge for that? Well, quite frankly, I think I do. Because let me explain it, okay? Let me just give you some big values here. Let's just say I gave up half an hour every day to do a consultation call with some of you, web designers, freelancers, agencies, clients, people like that, okay? I'm going to sit there, we're going to have a call, I'll look at your website, we talk about your plugins, we talk about your design, your UI, the experience, all of that, and I give up half an hour every day. Well, Monday to Friday, that's 2.5 hours, okay, per week. Now, I charge £120 per hour. That 2.5 hours is equal to £300 per week, which over a month is equivalent to £1,200, which over a year is equivalent to £14,400, which equals roughly, under currency conversion rates, $18,000. Just absorb that for a minute. If I gave away half an hour every day, just one half an hour slot every day as a free consultation, that's $18,000 a year of my time I've given away. Now you could argue, yeah, but if you didn't give away that call for free, you might have just been sat there surfing on the web or whatever. It doesn't matter. Even if I'm just surfing on the internet, even if I'm just watching Netflix, even if I'm just like doing a blog post or whatever I'm doing, like recording a video or editing, it is my time. And I value my time, okay? You got to start valuing your time, everyone. Don't give away things for free. Now, if I've got a brand new client and it's a quick 10-minute call, they're putting feelers out. I might need a web design, and I'm like, well, okay, tell me a bit about you and whatever, what your plans are. That's a free call, right? Then, if we need to move into further, deeper discussions, we have a discovery call, and there's a charge for that, the consultation time, because I'm going to start talking about plugins and solutions. They might take everything they gain out of that 1 hour and run away and go and work with someone else. They've now taken a lot of expertise and intelligence from me. The same comes with a lot of you, web designers, agencies, people watching videos, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You get in touch on a daily basis, let me add. Now, if it's a quick 5-minute email, okay, yeah, I can quickly reply to that. I can advise them. I can tell them where to go in a nice way. I can send them a link to a YouTube video. I might be replying to comments on Facebook. Generally, we do that quite a lot. That's kind of free. That's just kind of like, it's what I call just thinking time. Yeah, here's what you need to do. But if we need to go deeper, like, can you really help me out with this? Can you help me solve this problem? And I now need to access their website, one-to-one support. You got to be buying into our consultation time. There's a 30-minute slot and there's a 1-hour slot. If you book me up for 5 hours, you pay 5 times the hourly slot rate, or we can split it out. It's up to you. But it's my time. And so someone did ask me the question about consultation time, like, how do you go about putting that in place or offering it? Well, start thinking about how much would you charge someone if you were going to give up an hour of your time? What is that worth to you? What is the value of that? And then you put that down as your rate. I mean, I'm telling you now, there are solicitors out there charging like £400-500 an hour. Okay, seriously, an hour. Some of them are 70, 80, 100, okay? But there are big players out there, okay? They're not even that big, but they charge it. Why? Because there's demand. I get about 3 or 4 emails every day about people wanting to collaborate with us over videos or reviews. And do you know what? 99% of them I don't even reply to because I don't like what they're doing or their plugin. The ones I do feel like, yeah, I could work with you, I let them know my rate. And do you know what? Most of them don't reply because they thought we were going to do it for free. There's a bit of a mentality out there whereby if you're going to send me a message via Facebook or wherever, YouTube, and it's a quick reply from me that I feel like, yeah, that's all I need to advise them on, that's free. That's no different to someone stopping you in the street and saying, hey, what's the time? And you kind of go, yeah, okay, what's the time? Or they stop you in a shop or go, do you know where I can get the eggs? Or do you know where the shop is? Is it round in? You go, yeah, I think you need to go, wherever. That's free, right? You got time for that. But if someone stops you in the street and says, you know what, I need to get to this place, which is 2 miles away. Can you walk with me? I know, I've told them it's a straight road. All you got to do is go straight. There's no left or right. It's just a straight road. Look, just keep going. 2 miles, you'll get there. Yeah, but you need to walk with me. Right, so I'm now going to give you probably about an hour of my time. I don't know, half an hour, 45 minutes of my time to walk there and then 45 minutes to walk back. Am I going to do that for free? And that's what you got to play in your head, okay? I get a lot of requests. People go, hey, I need you to log into my website. Here's my login details. I've never spoken to them before. I do not know who they are. They're giving me their username, their password, everything. And I'm like, whoa, back off. Whoa. We haven't agreed to anything. And even if we did, that is one-to-one consultation time. So have a think about what you do for free. What is a paid service, like basically consultation, okay, whatever you want to call it. Even if it's just advice, it is still consultation because you're consulting with one another. I hope that clarifies why we charge for consultation time and why some people do get offended. Believe me, I get a lot of kickback, how dare you say on your videos, hey, get in touch if you need support, and then you charge for it. Well, like I said, if it's a comment on YouTube or Facebook, the Web Squadron group or Twitter or anywhere else, and I can very quickly reply or advise you, we do. And there is evidence and proof that we do that a lot. But where it's deeper investigation, deeper advice, deeper feedback, just going deep, then you got to pay for it. And that's just the way of the world and the way things are with us. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I hope you like. I bet you don't, but please do. Please stay subscribed. Please do share and keep following. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.